Coping with grief. Recognize the signs and seek support. Grief is a natural reaction to loss, but it can deeply impact your physical and emotional well-being. Taking time to understand and address these feelings is essential for healing. Recognize the complexity of grief. Grief is a personal and unpredictable experience. There's no right way to grieve, and your emotions may vary widely. Some may feel the pain immediately, while others may experience delayed grief. Understand the symptoms. Being aware of how grief manifests can help you navigate the journey. Physical symptoms. Difficulty falling or staying asleep. Changes in appetite, such as overeating or losing interest in food. Physical stress responses like nausea, headaches, or heart palpitations. Emotional symptoms. Anger or frustration. A sense of shock or numbness. Confusion or difficulty focusing. Overwhelming sadness that may lead to crying spells. Anxiety or restlessness, often tied to uncertainty. Ways to cope with grief. 1. Acknowledge your feelings. 2. Seek connection. 3. Engage in self-care. 4. Journal your thoughts. 5. Reach out for professional support. You are not alone. Grief can feel isolating, but support is always available. Take small steps each day and remind yourself that healing is a journey, not a race. Whether through loved ones, professional help, or personal reflection, there are ways to find hope and comfort. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Isabella's Homes, your recovery gateway.